In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Miro presentation videos. By the end, you'll know how to turn a Miro board into a clear, engaging video using frames and talk track, all without leaving your workspace. First, open Miro and set up your content using frames. Think of frames as slides. You can press the F key to create them quickly, then size and position each one to hold a single idea. A simple structure works best. Begin with a title or overview, follow with the problem you're addressing, outline your strategy, add a timeline to show milestones, and wrap up with results and a clear call to action. As you fill each frame, keep text concise, use consistent fonts, and group related elements so viewers can scan and understand your points at a glance. Visuals, icons, or screenshots can make a big difference, so place them where they naturally support your message. Next, arrange your frames in the order you'll present. You can line them up left to right or top to bottom. Pick one direction and stick to it so your path is obvious. Leave a bit of space between frames and keep them aligned. This makes navigation smooth and avoids jarring camera moves. A quick pass to check sequence and spacing now will save confusion later. When your frames are ready, start your talk track recording. Look to the top right and click talk track. Your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone and camera. Allow that so your narration and optional video are captured. Before you hit start recording, glance at your first frame and take a breath. Having a few keywords on each frame helps you stay natural without reading a script verbatim. When you're set, click start recording. Present your board by moving from frame to frame at a steady pace. Explain what's on each section as if you're guiding a client through your thinking. Start with context, highlight the key point, and then pause briefly so viewers can absorb what they're seeing. Keep your camera movements smooth. Zoom in to emphasize details, then zoom back out before transitioning to the next frame. If you trip over a word, don't worry. Keep going and maintain your flow. When you're done, click stop. Play back your recording to make sure the audio is clear and the pacing feels right, then save it. Finally, share the link with your clients or team so they can watch on their own time. That's it. Your Miro presentation video is ready to go.